ADSA is a way of bringing many different constituencies together. You know, the word has gotten out that this is the forum for meaningful communication. It's not a conference. It is a workshop. We do break down the barriers, and the more that word spreads, the more people want to be in on it. So what we found is that we grew from about 30 to 40 in the beginning to somewhere between 150 and 200 people, and the richness of the audience, the number of government participants, for example, has really escalated. It has a reputation of being a meaningful communication vehicle.